a show created to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy.
In this video, we'll answer that burning question, and that is, who is our fan favorite to win a gift card and be featured in an upcoming video. We'll also announce the question of the day winner so that you can win a prize too. And with that, let's get started. Okay, so the results of our linen closet competition are in, and we have a winner. But first, we'd like to thank all of our participants as well as our viewers. We had 10 lovely ladies showcase their linen closets and welcome us into their homes. They did an amazing job showing off their linen closets as well as demonstrating how they folded towels, sheets, and just zhuzhed up their linen closet. Each of these sisters did their thing, and we enjoyed all of them. More importantly, it gives us an opportunity to showcase Black women doing positive things, and that's a win for all of us. Hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now. Speaking of winners, we want to shout out Denise Jordan. She came in 3rd place as our fan favorite. We nicknamed her linen closet the Minimalist because she showed us how to get excellent results by minimizing the items in our linen closet. Speaking of Denise, she was the centerpiece of our question of the day, where we asked how many sets of sheets are in Denise's linen closet. Well, the answer was 3, and viewer Tina Robbins answered correctly and will be receiving a gift card as well. Our 2nd place winner is Kristen. She was only 4 votes behind our 1st place winner. Folks loved her demonstration where she showed us how she folded her towels, and they found her linen closet to be super efficient, which is why we nicknamed her Efficient She. And now we have our fan favorite is Katrina, y'all. Viewers appreciated her detailed and just beautifully organized linen closet, and that's why we nicknamed her Detailista. She's this year's linen closet queen, and she's the winner of the Mommy Room Redo gift card and will be featured in an upcoming video. All winners need to reach out to Mommy Room Redo via email at mommyroomredo@gmail.com. Please provide your name, address, and phone number. Congratulations.
Take care.